Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you the some crochet steering cover designs collection. These are collection are very useful. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet steering wheel cover designs collection. Beautiful color crochet steering wheel cover designs collection. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. You can see the beauty of these crochet wheel cover designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. New ideas crochet steerings cover designs collection. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.